In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your Instagram feed on your WordPress website. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Step number one is clicking on the link in the description down below, which will bring you over to this website. Now, once you're on this website, you can click on widgets right there, and you will then be able to find Instagram feed. You want to click on Instagram feed, and this will send you over to the page where you can choose the template. You want to click on create widget at the top right corner, and once you're here, you can scroll down and you can choose a template that you want to use on your website. So you can use the slider, you can use grid, you can use a collage, a hashtag showcase, post slider, or a single post. So choose the template that you want to use. For this video, I'm going to go with the slider one. Then once you select that, you can click on continue with this template, and then click on join to install once you've customized all of this. So you can put in your Instagram username right there. You can add filters. You can choose different layouts. So you can go with a slider, or you can choose grid right there. That's up to you guys. So once you're done customizing all of this, you can click on join to install right here. Next up, you need to sign up on Elfsight. So Elfsight is the platform that has many extensions for your website. So sign up right here. I already have an account, so I'm going to log into my account. Once you do that, you will have to choose a plan. So you can go with the light plan, which you can use for free. You can only do one website and up to 200 views. And with all the other plans, you can do unlimited websites and up to 5K views, 50K views, and 5 million. And that comes with a lot of premium support as well, and no watermarks at all. Now, you can get they have a 14-day money back guarantee, so it's risk-free. You can cancel at any time. So choose your pricing plan. Once you're done setting up your pricing plan, you can copy this code right here. You can then go to WordPress and you can simply add a HTML code. You then paste that in there. And then if I hit preview and scroll down, you'll see the Instagram feed right here. So because I didn't add any Instagram usernames, mine is not showing up. But if I do that, which I'll do right now, so for that you can click on edit and you can then customize all of this. So let's say that I want to add, let's say that this is my page, Cristiano. You then hit save. You want to make sure it's a public page, by the way. If I then refresh this, it should actually change. Let's see if that actually works. And there you go. So just put in your username and then you should be fine. Now that's pretty much how you can do this. So once again, I'll leave a link to this in the description down below, and then you can get going. They don't just offer the Instagram feed, they actually have many others as well. I'll just go to widgets and then applications, and I'll show you some of the other widgets that they have available as well. They actually have like a ton of them. As you can see right there, these are all. So they have reviews, other stats from this right here. I'm not going to mention that since YouTube doesn't really like that. YouTube gallery, pricing table, Google Maps, sliders, countdowns, form builders, contact forms, WhatsApp chats, reviews from TripAdvisor. They basically have anything you need. So once again, if you want to use this, I'll leave a link in the description down below. That will be an affiliate link which helps the channel at no extra cost to you. So I would appreciate it if you can use that. But yeah, anyway, if you have any questions, hit me up in the comment section down below. And yeah, that's it. Have a good day.